An instructional video on pitching claims that after undergoing training on the video, players will be able to throw strikes on at least 60% of their pitches. To test this claim, 20 Little Leaguers throw 50 pitches each before and after undergoing the training. The table records the number of strikes out of 50 that each player threw. Use a significance level of alpha equals 0.05. All right, it says, is there evidence that after the training, players can throw strikes on more than 60% of the time? All right, well, what we would need to see is that the null hypothesis is that, well, let's see, 60% is 60% of 50 is 30. And so, because 30 out of 50 is 60%. So the null would be that it's equal to that, and the alternative would be that it's greater than, after the video, it's greater than that. Okay. Now we have to compute the test statistic. All right. And so what we will do is we will copy the data to a table and then come in to a blank spreadsheet, because mine won't let me put stuff in it. I'm sorry. Let me get up here. I'm just going to go to a blank one, a sheet one, and I'll just put my data right here. Okay, so I've got the before and the after, and I really just want to see it. See, after the training, they can. So they're really not doing they're not looking at a difference yet. First, they're just looking as can they throw more than 60. So I just need the mean and the standard deviation on the after. So this is just a one sample first. So I'll get my mean and my standard deviation on that after values. So I'll come in here and get the mean and the standard deviation. So I'm going to do equals the average on this first set of data, the after data. And then I'll also get the standard deviation on the after data. Okay, and then I'm going to paste these two data values into my, so I'm going to copy the mean, and then I'll paste that into the one confidence interval for just the mean. And remember, you do a right click and you want to paste just the value. And then I'll go back to the standard deviation one and get it. I'll copy it and I will paste it in the one sample right here. Paste the value. And then how many? It was 20 Little Leaguers, right? Okay, and then the test statistic is going to be 66.23. Seems like, I got to change my null. Don't be crazy there. I need it to be 30. So 6.47 is my test statistic. 474. Okay, and then the p-value for greater than, I'll come in here, and it is very small, so 0.000. Okay, and there is strong evidence that after the training they can throw. Okay. But I'm going to have to run out of time on this video, so I'll finish this next part in just a second. And that's part 2 of the video.